I greet you in the love and the light of the infinite Creator. Event is coming soon. YouTube channel. Here's the latest intel.
Stargate SG-1, soft disclosure according to secret space program Whistleblower. Written by Dr. Michael Sala. Could the highly popular television series Stargate SG-1, aired 1997 to 2007, be more science than fiction? Secret space program whistleblower Corey Goode claims it is based on real-life advanced travel technologies found all over the planet, solar system and galaxy. In the latest Cosmic Disclosure episode, Portals, the Cosmic Web, Goode responds to questions posed by the host, David Wilcock, about various kinds of travel technologies used by ancient societies and extraterrestrial civilizations. Goode described the difference between various portal or wormhole technologies that either naturally occurred, or were built by a highly advanced ancient civilization not known even to current extraterrestrial visitors to Earth. This is virtually the same scenario depicted in the Stargate SG-1 series, where stargates are described as being built by a race of beings called the Ancients. Goode referred to technologies depicted in the Stargate SG-1 as a fairly accurate illustration of how ring-shaped ancient portals or stargates actually look and work. He said that the navigation system is similar to how the Internet operates, whereby numerical sequences are assigned for individual computers, networks, ISPs and countries. This is the basis for the IP, Internet Protocol, numbers, which are the backbone for navigating the World Wide Web. You can check the IP address of the device you are using to read this article here. Similarly, Goode says that a series of numerical coordinates based on hyperdimensional mathematics designate different galaxies, solar systems, planets, etc., which becomes the address for a particular portal. This has similarities with the coordinate navigation system depicted in the original Stargate movie, 1994. That was then incorporated into the Stargate SG-1 television series. Goode is not alone in describing such a numerical address system. Wilcock pointed out that another secret space program whistleblower, Henry Deacon, aka Arthur Newman, also claims that this is the navigation method used for portal travel. Deacon began publicly disclosing his information regarding portals, stargates back in a 2006 interview on Project Camelot. Goode said that these ancient portals have been found all over the world, and these are highly sought after by covert teams from the US and other countries. Another whistleblower, Dan Boris, claims that he was part of a covert team that went into Iraq to find its portal technologies. Indeed, Deacon independently confirmed that a Stargate had been discovered in Iraq. There was much circumstantial evidence supporting Boris's and Deacon's claim that the real reason for the U.S. invasion of Iraq was to find ancient portal technologies, as I proposed back in 2003.
In an earlier episode of Cosmic Disclosure, Goode described the Sun as a natural portal that is used by spacecraft to enter into, or leave our solar system. Elaborating further, he said that solar filaments form torsion fields that create travelable wormholes for portal travel between suns in our galaxy. The most startling aspect of Goode's testimony is that the natural and ancient portal systems form a cosmic web that spans the universe. By jumping from one portal location to another, one can travel incredible distances between galaxies and across the universe. Goode's claim of a cosmic web of portals was also depicted in the Stargate SG-1 series. The number of similarities between Goode's account of portal travel with what was depicted in the Stargate SG-1 series raises an intriguing possibility. Was the series part of a soft disclosure or acclamation program whereby the entertainment industry was used to prepare the public for the truth about portal travel? It is very plausible that the producers of Stargate SG-1 were given the key ideas that would disclose the highly advanced science used for portal travel, using fiction as a cover. Many episodes of the series depicted how the Stargate portal technology was kept secret from the Earth's population and the ethical problems this caused for USAF personnel. United States Air Force ACA USAF and Space Command cooperated with Stargate SG-1 producers. Credits showing USAF and Space Command cooperation with Stargate SG-1 production. One episode even featured the USAF's then-serving Chief of Staff, General Michael Ryan, who appeared in the Cheyenne Mountain complex which housed the ancient Stargate technology. It is very unusual for a sitting member of the Joint Chiefs of Staff to do a cameo for television, let alone a science fiction show depicting his military service hiding advanced technologies from the public for national security reasons. This Stargate episode clearly implied that very senior officials in the USAF were in favor of soft disclosure through the entertainment industry. There are many more parallels between the Stargate SG-1 series and Corey Good's revelations about the portal travel system used in secret space programs. He has earlier described full disclosure as an event that will soon occur through massive document dumps. In this latest episode of Cosmic Disclosure, Good reveals that the general public has been silently prepared for such an event by the soft disclosure offered by popular shows such as Stargate SG-1. Sun is a portal for hyperdimensional space travel based on sacred geometry. The Sun is a portal for spacefaring civilizations using a form of hyperdimensional mathematics based on sacred geometry, according to the latest testimony from secret space program whistleblower Corey Good. He says that, while serving for 6 years on a scientific research vessel belonging to the Solar Warden space program, he witnessed probes being launched into sunspots to study the Sun's composition and behavior. What was discovered would shock the mainstream scientific community that believes the Sun is a giant nuclear fusion generator. Instead, the Sun was confirmed to be electrical in nature, whose plasma outbursts acted as portals for spacefaring civilizations to move into and out of our solar system. Good's revelation was presented in today's episode of Cosmic Disclosure, where he is being interviewed on GAM-TV by David Wilcock. Good's revelation supports the electric universe model proposed by a number of alternative scientists that includes Wallace Thornhill and David Talbot, authors of the electric universe. The electric universe model is an astronomical model in which the Sun and planets are electrically charged celestial objects which exist in an electric field that is generated by the Sun in a radial direction, like the spokes on a bicycle wheel, throughout the solar system. Furthermore, the Sun is part of a vast galactic-scale electrical grid generated by the galactic center, again in a radial direction. Charges flow through these solar and galactic-scale electric fields by virtue of the plasma particles that are constantly being released by the Sun in the galactic core. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, solid, liquid, and gas being the first three, and comprises free protons, neutrons, electrons and ions. Plasma is not electrically neutral, but is a superconductor that can carry electrical charges throughout the solar system and into interstellar and intergalactic space.
According to Good, probes launched into sunspots showed that these contained spiral plasma filaments, aka solar prominences, that stretched all the way from above the Sun's surface to its core. This is contrary to mainstream scientific theory that claims solar prominences only loop from the surface through hundreds of thousands of miles of space. Furthermore, the solar core is made up of metals such as magnesium and sodium, rather than hydrogen and helium gas that mainstream scientists believe power the nuclear fusion process. Most remarkable is Good's claims that the Solar Warden program confirmed that under the right conditions, these solar filaments could be used as stargates or portals whereby extraterrestrial civilizations can enter or leave our solar system. Good described this solar stargate system as similar to a vast cosmic web that interconnects all suns and galaxies, making it possible to travel vast interstellar and intergalactic distances. If he is correct, this suggests that among the many thousands of objects identified by observers leaving or entering the Sun, according to images extracted from Solar and Heliospheric Observatory and other solar space observatories, some were not merely camera anomalies, but were interstellar spacecraft. A good example is a large spherical UFO connected to a solar filament observed by the Solar Dynamics Observatory leaving the Sun's vicinity on March 11, 2012. Good went on to reveal that there is a hyperdimensional mathematical model that links all the suns in our galaxy, which was given to the Solar Warden program by extraterrestrials. He said that this mathematical model uses geometrical patterns similar to the Platonic solids for navigation purposes. Good's discussion with Wilcock on sacred geometry and how it is fundamental to hyperdimensional space travel is well worth watching. Good also discusses nodes, natural portals, found all over the world, such as in the Bermuda Triangle, that open and close unpredictably. When activated, these nodes can transport ships and aircraft caught within them through hyperdimensional space to anywhere in the galaxy. Good's discussion of the nature of time and consciousness, as it is understood in covert space programs, is eye-opening. It raises the possibility that individuals and collectives can redefine how they experience time. This episode of Cosmic Disclosure is another powerful glimpse into the secret world of space programs, and the mind-boggling knowledge and technologies they possess.
For more information about the secret space program and Corey Good's experience with my lab, the Blue Avians and Breakaway Civilizations, make sure you join Gaia TV. The link is listed below. BlueAvians.com.
For additional information, please visit our website, theeventiscomingsoon.com, and our Facebook page at facebook.com/theeventiscomingsoon, your alternative news source for disclosure and the event. Make sure you search our library of videos. You may have missed some very important information and intel. Remember to subscribe to receive updates on our new videos. Stay tuned.
We leave you in the love and the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth and rejoicing in the power and the peace of the one Creator. Victory of the light.
Event is coming soon. YouTube channel.